Hi family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in to another video. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Smashing the subscribe button is highly appreciated, so please go ahead and check out the channel if you love all things DIY for natural hair, especially using natural ingredients. Then I'm pretty sure you are going to love this channel, so please do not hesitate in smashing that subscribe button. Alright y'all, let's proceed. I will be using this herb to make my very potent hair growth spray. I'm using fresh bay leaves, rosemary sprigs, and fresh mint leaves. These herbs play a pivotal role in promoting healthy hair and scalp. The good thing is they are all natural. So I'm going to go ahead and wash my herbs, and then we're going to move on to preparing these herbs for our natural hair. Keep watching, family. Alright family, the herbs are clean and ready to be boiled. I'm going to transfer the herbs into a pot and add approximately 4 cups of water to the pot. After adding the water, I went on to boil the herbs for 30 minutes. I started with a high heat. However, as the water started to boil, I lowered the stove top to a medium heat. I always do that here, family. I do not like to overcook my ingredients. Alright family, the herbal spray is ready. I'm going to let this cool down and infuse even more before straining it. It has fully infused and completely cooled down. Now it's time to strain this herbal spray. I have a question, family. Where in the world are you watching this video from? A big shout out to one of our sisters on here who watched last week's video from Jamaica, and I don't want to butcher her name, but the last name is Williams. Thank you so much, Miss Williams, for tuning in to another video. Please let me know where you are watching from, and I will do my possible best to give a shout out weekly to one of my brothers or sisters on here. I really do appreciate you guys. There's one more step to this herbal spray preparation. I'm going to blend the herbs using some of the herbal spray. I try to get all of the nutrients from these herbs as much as I can. I don't like to waste. I'm not wasteful. So yeah, before putting the herbs into the trash, I went ahead and I blended my herbs to get all of the nutrients from these herbs. The bay leaves used in this herbal spray are really great for the hair and scalp. They contain compounds that can improve blood circulation to the scalp and promote hair growth. The leaves are rich in antioxidants that can help protect the hair follicles from damage and prevent hair loss. The leaves also contain antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help prevent dandruff and other scalp infections. Overall, bay leaves are really great for your scalp. They also serve as a natural conditioner, leaving your hair shiny and healthier. Alright family, as a reminder, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Share this video to somebody who you think might benefit from watching this video. These herbs are really great for your natural hair. Again, as I said earlier, they are all natural, so you don't have to worry about anything toxic on your scalp or your hair. Okay, these are all natural ingredients. So go ahead and share this video with a family member, a friend, somebody in your neighborhood, or somebody at your job that you think might benefit from watching this video. Don't forget to let me know where you are watching from so I can give somebody a shout out in the next upload. All right, I love reading you guys' comment, and just share your thoughts in the comment section. If you aren't a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member. It is absolutely free. All right family, the herbal spray is ready and it is time for application. So I sectioned my daughter's hair into 4 parts. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the herbal spray to her hair and scalp. I also made sure to massage her scalp as well. The mint leaves used in this herbal spray family offer tons of great health benefits. Mint leaves, when used on the hair, are a great source of keratin and antioxidants. The leaves also offer a natural antimicrobial and antifungal properties which can help get rid of dandruff, head lice, and other scalp issues. It also improves the blood circulation in the scalp. I am applying this to my daughter's hair, and I'm not going to be washing this off. All right, I'm going to leave this on. I'm not worried about this causing any damage to my daughter's hair. It is a natural herbal spray. Okay, all of the ingredients used here are all natural, so I'm not concerned about any damage. I did also apply my moringa shea butter. I did that off camera. However, I have the video. I'm going to link the video in the description box below. If you didn't get to see that moringa butter made, I'm going to leave the link so you can see how to make your very own moringa hair butter. The shea butter is really great for moisturizing the hair. So after applying this herbal spray, I went in with my shea butter to lock in moisture. The last herb used in this herbal spray is the rosemary. Rosemary is really great when it comes to hair regrowth. If you are experiencing hair loss, hair thinning, or if you want to keep up with the health of your hair, using rosemary consistently will change your hair game. Rosemary increases blood flow to the scalp, supplying the hair follicles with important nutrients that can help the hair. Rosemary thickens the hair and it stimulates hair growth. It also suppresses DHT. DHT is a hormone that we do not want because it causes hair loss. If you struggle with dandruff or other scalp issues, rosemary can help tackle those issues. Rosemary is known to have powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. It also helps in strengthening and protecting the hair from damage. So using rosemary consistently, family, will help your hair a lot. These herbs are really powerful for your natural hair. As I said earlier, I'm going to be applying the moringa butter after the herbal spray application. Alright family, thank you all for stopping by today. Please do not forget to like, comment, and share. If you aren't a member of this family, go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this family. Thank you all so very much for your love and your support. I really do appreciate you guys. Alright y'all, thank you again for stopping by. I will catch you all in the next one. Remain blessed. Love you guys. Bye.